Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and to my subscribers, thank you for coming back. And if you're new here, please make sure you don't leave without clicking the red button, okay? In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I prepare or cook my Nando's chicken at home. So I firstly started by cutting the chicken a little bit so that when I put the seasoning and marination, it goes deep into the bones, and that gives the meat more flavor. So these I what personally use to make my Nando's chicken at home. So let's get into it. As you can see, I started seasoning my chicken with all-purpose spice, but you can use any seasoning of your choice. It doesn't necessarily have to be all-purpose. Whatever you have in your cupboard or whatever you use to season the chicken, it's all up to you. I then add some cooking oil, and of course some people start with this step before seasoning. There's no specific formula, guys. It is all up to the chef, and in this case I am the chef. My kitchen, my rules. And then I will rub my chicken with the oil. And now this is my favorite part, adding the Nando's peri peri marination sauce. Oh, you guys, I love this sauce. It gives the chicken that Nando's vibe thing. If you love Nando's, you will know what I'm talking about. And if you want it to really work, you can do it a night before. Let it sit overnight, and you cook your chicken the following day. It will taste really good. You will be eating Nando's chicken every day. Well, after all that, I'll put my chicken in the air fryer to fry at 200 degrees for 15 minutes. This air fryer is a little bit small, but it is good enough for us because we are just three, including Liam, of course. It has been 15 minutes already, and I'm checking my chicken. Ooh, looking yummy. I will then turn it around so that the other side can cook as well. I'll probably put it back for 5 to 10 minutes. I think I'll put it back for 5. I will then prepare my lemon and herb sauce on the side, so that when the chicken is almost ready, I can just brush it with this sauce. This sauce is so good, guys. It's like the topping. It's like the cherry on top. You get me? Let me check my chicken. I think my chicken is almost done now, so I turn it around again and start putting my lemon and herb sauce. I do this on both sides of the chicken, and I'll put it back for another 1 or 2 minutes, and it will be done after. We had the chicken with some fries. like a proper Nando's meal. Okay, the only thing that was missing was Coca-Cola, my favorite. But next time when I'm doing it, I'm definitely gonna have Coca-Cola, and I'll marinate my chicken overnight so that I cook it the following day. And this meal was really nice, guys, and these were the end results. See you next time.